I'm Andrew Edwards, and you're watching Gear Live. Smart home tech is becoming more and more ubiquitous with each passing year, but it's always good to remember the OGs and where we came from. One of the first major smart home products released was the Nest Learning Thermostat. In this episode, we're gonna go over why the Nest Learning Thermostat is still one of the best smart home devices you can install in your home, along with taking a look at what it can do in conjunction with some of your other smart home devices. What's going on, Tech Squad? Andrew Edwards here, editor-in-chief of GearLive.com. If this is your first time here, this channel is all about tech, gadgets, and gaming, so if you're into that kind of stuff, feel free to hit the subscribe button down below, along with the bell notification icon so you don't miss any future videos. As I mentioned today, we're taking a look at this right here. This is the Nest Learning Thermostat, now in its third generation. One of the first great, well thought out smart home devices ever released. As I mentioned today, we're gonna be diving into the Nest Learning Thermostat and talking about what makes this still today one of the best smart home devices you can pick up. Before we get started, I want to give a big shout out to Lowe's Home Improvement for sending over the Nest Learning Thermostat and for sponsoring this video. If you didn't know, your local Lowe's Home Improvement store is the place to go for hot deals on the latest smart home tech. And if it's something that requires professional installation, they've got you covered there as well. I'll leave a link down in the description below if you want to check out the Nest Learning Thermostat for yourself over at Lowes.com. This is the third generation of the Nest Smart Thermostat, and most people see Nest as the company that started the whole smart thermostat revolution. On front of the Nest Thermostat, you've got a bright, high-resolution display. A premium metal ring surrounds the unit, making it look nice in your home. And it's got a feature called Far Sight, which recognizes when you walk into the room, it'll light up the display and show a piece of glanceable information of your choosing. It could be the current temperature of your home, it could be the current time, or it could even be the current weather outside. The Nest third gen thermostat learns your preferences. It'll auto set the temperature throughout the day. So when you first set it up, if it sees that every morning you set the temperature to, let's just say 70 degrees, it'll program itself to know that at 8 in the morning, it should set itself to 70 degrees. If before bed, you turn it down to 67 degrees, it'll know every evening at 10 p.m. to turn it down to 67 degrees and so forth. Now, another cool feature of the Nest thermostat is that it knows where you are. So it knows that it should optimize the temperature when you're not home to save energy, and it knows when you are home to optimize the temperature for when people are in the house. That feature works in two ways. As I mentioned, that Far Sight feature, which will show things on the display, Nest actually uses that same feature to know if someone's in the house. Using your smartphone's location services, the Nest app knows when you're home and when you're not, and if no one's there, it'll go to work to save you some energy. The Nest third gen work with Nest's entire line of smart home products. So while they are thermostats that control the temperature in your home, when paired with other Nest products, they're able to do more than that. For example, let's say you also use a Nest Protect smart smoke detector. If the Nest Protect detects smoke or carbon monoxide, the Nest thermostat will turn off your fans and turn off the heat so it doesn't spread the smoke or carbon monoxide throughout your home. If the temperature outside gets so cold that your pipes might burst, the Nest app is gonna send you a notification for that. And if your furnace seems to be acting up, you get alerts from Nest to tell you to take care of that as well. Or if you have Nest cameras in your home, your Nest thermostat will use those to determine if there's people in the house or not. So rather than just relying on the proximity sensor on the thermostat itself, you can give it extra eyes into your home by setting up Nest cameras. So as you can see, the Nest Smart Thermostat, third generation, not just smart about controlling the temperature, but really brings a level of smartness to your home as a whole. There you have it, guys. That was your look at the Nest Smart Thermostat. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Have you started building out your smart home? And if so, if you've gone with a smart thermostat, which one are you using? I'll meet you down there for further discussion. Big shout out once again to Lowe's Home Improvement for sponsoring this video. If you enjoyed this one, feel free to drop a like on this video, and don't forget to click or tap on my face when it appears right at the bottom of the screen in order to subscribe for free to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. As always, guys, I appreciate your support. I'm Andrew Edwards, and I'll catch you in the next video.